Toyota has ignited a seismic shift in the automotive world, sparking an electrifying evolution that's poised to redefine the entire electric vehicle (EV) landscape. Buckle up, because the future of EVs is about to take a thrilling turn thanks to Toyota's groundbreaking innovation. Picture this: a revolutionary engine so cutting-edge, it's leaving car aficionados worldwide speechless and buzzing with excitement. Toyota's CEO dropped a bombshell announcement that's sending shockwaves through the industry. The unveiling of an engine so radically different, it's poised to rewrite the rules of electric vehicle technology as we know it. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details of this automotive game-changer, let's take a moment to rewind and appreciate the journey Toyota has embarked upon. In a world where speed is everything, Toyota is making bold strides that have the entire electric vehicle industry on the edge of its seat. So what's all the fuss about? Toyota has pulled back the curtain on its latest innovation, a hydrogen combustion engine that's turning heads and raising eyebrows. Unlike anything seen before in the electric vehicle realm, this cutting-edge technology promises to shake up the status quo. Imagine an engine that not only delivers unparalleled performance, but also leaves behind nothing but water vapor as its footprint. Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine is rewriting the playbook, emitting only water while minimizing the global carbon footprint, making it a true champion of environmental sustainability. Harnessing the power of hydrogen, one of the universe's most abundant elements, this engine boasts unrivaled energy density without the harmful emissions associated with conventional engines. And here's the kicker: it's exhaust-free and non-toxic, with water as its sole byproduct. Talk about a clean ride. But that's not all. Toyota's innovation doesn't stop there. Teaming up with Yamaha Motor, they've unveiled a powerhouse partnership that's set to redefine performance standards. The result? A jaw-dropping 455 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque, all packed into one exhilarating package. So, as we peer into the future of electric vehicles, one thing's for certain: Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine isn't just a game-changer. It's a revolution in motion, propelling us toward a cleaner, greener automotive landscape. Get ready to buckle up and witness history in the making. The future of EVs has never looked brighter. Real-world evaluations of the Corolla Cross H2 concept car, including winter road condition testing in northern Japan, have yielded positive reviews. Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine represents a significant leap forward in automotive technology, offering environmental friendliness, extended range, faster refueling times, and reduced reliance on scarce materials. The Japanese government aims to have around 200,000 fuel cell-powered vehicles on the road by 2025 and up to 800,000 by 2030, necessitating expanded refueling infrastructure nationwide. Despite its advantages, the hydrogen combustion engine faces challenges. Production and infrastructure for hydrogen must become more sustainable, addressing concerns about fueling stations' availability and the engine's complexity, which increases manufacturing and maintenance costs. Toyota's commitment to sustainable transportation extends beyond electric and hybrid engines. The hydrogen combustion engine diversifies their vehicle options, demonstrating a multifaceted approach to carbon neutrality. Efficiency gains translate to improved fuel economy and reduced emissions, aligning with Toyota's carbon neutrality objectives. By embracing diverse technologies like hydrogen and electric, Toyota advances its vision of a sustainable automotive future. In summary, Toyota's hydrogen combustion engine represents a monumental advancement in automotive technology, offering eco-friendliness, performance, and versatility. While facing challenges, its potential to revolutionize transportation underscores Toyota's commitment to sustainability and innovation. To understand this, let's start with Toyota's commitment to hydrogen technology. You might be wondering, why go for hydrogen? The answer lies in its potential as a clean energy source. When hydrogen is used in fuel cells or internal combustion engines, it only produces water vapor. This means that it is the most environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. One of the main components of Toyota's strategy to achieve this is the development of battery electric vehicles. However, They have used a rather different approach to this than other automotive manufacturers, especially those focusing entirely on EVs. Toyota's diversified strategy keeps in mind that there are some challenges to the widespread adoption of EVs. The most rampant of these challenges include the limited range, long charging times, and the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. To deal with this, Toyota has offered a range of powertrain options, the most common being hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, and BEVs. With these powertrains, Toyota is aiming to cater to a broader spectrum of customer needs and driving conditions. This whole diversified approach all leads to the broader goal of carbon neutrality. However, Toyota has managed this in various ways. And one of the things they have done to understand this is to realize that different regions and markets use different energy sources, infrastructure, and environmental policies. However, producing a one-size-fits-all approach may not be as effective as expected in reducing global carbon emissions. For example, consider regions where they use reusable energy. For such a place, BEVs would be the most suitable option. With Toyota's multi-technology approach, which has been coupled with its initiatives in other sustainability areas, it is clear that there is a comprehensive effort to address these challenges. Apart from achieving carbon neutrality, this move from Toyota also has some environmental benefits. In fact, they may be more than you could even imagine. But to understand that, let's move back for a bit and take a look at these benefits. You see, as the automotive world is slowly shifting towards the development of sustainable energy, Toyota's hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines bring about a fascinating proposition. But how do hydrogen engines compare when you compare these engines with hybrid electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles? To answer this question, we will first look into another question. What makes hydrogen engines stand out when it comes to their environmental impact? The main factor to look at here is the emission profile. It goes without saying that traditional gasoline engines emit quite a large volume of carbon dioxide. At the end of the day, both of these engines will offer improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions compared to traditional gasoline vehicles. However, this does not take away from the fact that the engines still rely on gasoline. Therefore, they still produce carbon dioxide emissions during operation. And even though it is in lower amounts, it is still there. And if it were to make it to the real world, it would completely destroy the EV industry, or what's left of it after the hydrogen-powered engine. Imagine having an engine that runs on water. Yes, Toyota has been diving into the world of engine technology that runs entirely on water. This marks a significant leap in the pursuit of sustainable solutions.